Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Today we're having a look at this awesome knife from Civivi. It can either be pronounced Sinisys or Sinisys, I guess depending on where you're from. But today we're going to have a closer look. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go, the Civivi Sinisys, available in a bunch of different colors, but this is the black on black version of it, and I like how they have all of the hardware blacked out as well. Let's start off with the size comparisons next to a large permanent marker. You can see it this way. Let's open her up. Give you size comparisons that way. Turn it over this way. And let's get the ruler in here. Here it is next to a 12-inch ruler. So from tip to the ending of the handle, just about 8.5 inches closed. Oh, I'd say just about little over 4.5 inches. No, just about 4.5 inches. And then thickness-wise, if you're wondering how thick that handle is in your pocket, so here is a pair of chopsticks. That's the thicker side. So maybe, yeah, probably more toward the thicker side. All right, let's get it on the scale here. Yeah, a little bit heavy, 5.1, 5.0 ounces. And just to give you a weight reference, a fully loaded deck of cards, which I think is perfect for an EDC knife, is about 3.4 ounces. Yeah, so a little bit heavy because this side is a steel frame. Let's have a look at the opening mechanism, just the thumb flipper. See the jimping there on the lever. Pivot point up front. Cage ceramic ball bearing system, very smooth, very quick. Locking system is a frame lock. Just move that there on the side when you want to close it. Nice. Let's check out the blade profile. Beautiful clip point design. Beautiful swedge up here. Typical for clip points. Black stonewash finish. Nicely done. The grind on here is flat, as we can see here. So it's not a hollow grind. There's no curvature here on the grind. Very flat. Easy to sharpen. Here's a look at the spine. Beautiful jimping here. Place for your thumb to rest. Finger choil up front, so you can choke up and get more control when you're doing more fine detailed knife work. There's a look at the spine. And the jimping on the top. Nicely done. We got Swedish steel by Sandvik 14C28N. Mid-grade steel. Really great corrosion resistance. Decent edge retention, but it's kind of the mid-range, so if you're going to use it a lot, you probably have to sharpen it a whole bunch, but it's easy to sharpen because it's not too hard like D2 steel. So even though you got to sharpen it a lot, it's easy to sharpen. You don't need anything special, and it takes a really nice edge, as you can see there. Ooh. On one side, we have the black micarta handles. Small beveling on the side, just rolls over, very minimal. Blacked out torque screws. Love that touch. I really wish they would have blacked out the C for Civivi in there. But well done on that side. Love how that micarta almost looks like carbon fiber. Again, the beveling all the way around on the sides. Flip it to the other side. This is the steel frame side. Also blacked out hardware, as well as the clip. Reversible to install on this side. This is also tip up carry. Here you just have standoffs, no backspacer, very easy to clean, easy to take down, clean, and lubricate. Let's punch it open and have a look at the handle design. Have a finger groove cut in here. Some people like this, some people don't, because your hands are different sizes. I find it very comfortable. Nice to grip onto. Whatever grip you want to hang on to. Really nice. All right. Close it up here. Alright, let's have a look at this clip in your pocket here. See how far it disappears. It's not bad. Well, alright guys, this has been your look at the Civivi Sinisys. I love this color combination with the black micarta, the black stonewash finish, and the blacked out hardware. I love that clip point design. If you're looking for a slicer knife, this might be the one for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this knife, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.